5 Best Electric Coffee Grinders 2018. Here is the product number 5 Vigormix 700G Swing Type. Brand name, Vigormix. Model number, 700. Certification, GS Rose CSACB. Power W2500W. Power source, electric. Type, blade coffee grinders. Housing material, stainless steel. Here is the product number for JIQI Coffee Grinder 220V. Brand name, JIQI. Power source, electric. Model number, JD00660Q. Type, blade coffee grinders. Power W100W. Certification, CE. Housing material, aluminum. Here is the product number 3 warmtoo electric stainless. Brand name, warmtoo. Type, burr grinders flat wheel. Certification, CE. Model number, SAU 666267. Housing material, stainless steel. Power W100-200W. Here is the product number 2 Eworld electric coffee. Brand name, Eworld. Type, burr grinders conical. Power W200W. Power source, electric. Certification, CBCE. Voltage V220V. Model number, E30. Housing material, plastic plus stainless steel. Here is the product number 1 LUCOG 400W powerful electric. Brand name, LUCOG. Power source, electric. Type, blade coffee grinders. Certification, Dull Rose CE. Model number, JIQI Coffee 09271. Power W220-240V. Housing material, plastic.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.